Hi everyone, welcome back to Hobby Dude 007. I'm Scott and this is
Hobby Dude. Hey guys, it's Mark and we're back. We had so much fun in the last video unboxing. I brought an extra kit I was going to try to do, and I'm blessed to have Scott with me again. We decided we just go ahead and do another one real quick. So let's get into it. The other one is, if you remember in a video not long ago, I picked up this kit as well. The 71 Volkswagen Beetle, and this one I kind of look forward to. A lot of choices in this thing as far as options. It says drag, street, dune buggy, open dune buggy. There's a lot of stuff in here, but a lot of cool options as well. So we're going to take a quick look at it, and if you know the AMT stuff, you got your parts box or parts locations, trees and stuff back here too. But the thing that really intrigued me about this is, check this out. Because this is a sport version, look at the shortened body for a bug. So I think this is going to be fun, huh?
It's going to be
All
a blast.
Right. Well, let's get into it. You're supposed to be talking right now.
Oh, I'm supposed to. Oh. He's opening the box. The anticipation is building. The plastic's off.
All right, guys, let's get into this thing. All right.
Oh,
First
nice.
up,
Okay.
we've got our part sprue that is chrome, and I should have brought a cutting board over here because I'm not sure. As you see, the engine is in chrome, which for a sport version, you know, I've seen a lot of the dune buggies and stuff that had those things too.
I did.
Oh, look, this has got the version that's got the 40 Ford type nose that you could purchase to put on these things. We've got some dog dish. Speaking of which, we hear the hound dog dish hubcaps. And let's get that chrome out of there and take a look at it.
Oh, there you go.
I like that. And I really got an idea with this 40 grill looking thing there. What color is it molded in, Scott?
It is molded in a lovely
Oh, yellow.
yellow.
All right, we've got some options here on our windows.
Yes.
We have clear, and I'm not going to take it out of the plastic, guys, because you know how this stuff gets scratched up. So we have clear, and we have a tinted green. Well, that'll be cool. Actually, that would look good with that yellow.
That would.
There's that shortened body, and guys, we got to open this. We got to take a look at this real quick. And I'll let my assistant show it off. That is a shortened body in 25th scale.
It is really neat.
It almost looks like a
really
little
neat.
bubble-looking thing there,
It does. That's neat.
but from a shortened version.
Look at the front there.
That would look good as a stock car too, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
A little
A
bubble
new
top.
concept.
A very new concept. What else we got here?
Beetlebug stock car.
All right, we've got, I think that's drag slicks. Yeah, there's a set of drag slicks. Are they pad printed?
Look at the axles. Is that an axle there?
Yeah, you got a metal axle.
Okay.
That's for the rear, of course. Yeah, we've got some slicks for the rear, or you got 4 treaded for street.
Okay.
This, and it looks like it's a pretty low parts count too. And you got the dune buggy, the sand paddle tires for dune buggy, deck lid, and I'm looking specifically for that. There it is. That. Be careful, man! I'm wheeling a knife around here. You're reaching over.
Yes, sir.
The hood. You know, this would make a nifty looking little drag car.
Yeah.
There's your part of the frame for the dune buggy. The metal floor pan, the flat pan. You know, these cars were so simple, but they're so much fun to drive.
Yep.
Very fun to drive.
Yep.
Cool.
That's one of the real ones.
Well, that looks like all the parts, guys. So this is a really relatively low parts count. What else we got in there, buddy?
Well, we have
Oh,
what appears to be
decals.
the decals. Oh,
Let's get into them. Well, thought I had an edge on this thing.
Well, I could use my finger, but it's registered as a lethal weapon, so I have to be careful with it.
Yeah, do be careful. Oh,
Oh, sweet.
that's some color there, guys.
Yes, it is.
Check that out.
Very
All
colorful.
kinds of. This is part of that Coca-Cola licensing that AMT's got. But ooh, like the peace sign down there. You know, I'm thinking about some of these stripes and the. This will be cool.
That's some good-looking decals.
And
There's your handy-dandy instructions.
the manual,
Yes.
the owner's manual. There's our basic instructions. And like I said, it's a relatively lower parts count than I expected. What about you?
Yeah, I thought it might.
And you remember in the last video, he's considering maybe trying to delve back into it. Because if you missed the last video, go back and watch it. Because Scott talked about the first model he ever built and the first contest he ever entered and that kind of stuff. And as I said before, he grew up and I didn't, so I'm still doing it. So, pretty comprehensive instruction sheet, the usual for AMT, so good stuff. Oh, and it's got
one more little final little platform that would
and the little display
that would sit up like so, and you could
up,
put the car
display
on
the
there,
car on it.
which is
How about that?
really kind of neat.
And we all know we have all this extra room on our workbench or on our display area. Well, Scott, what are your
I've got all kinds of room on my
impressions of
I like
this thing?
I like it. I like the
I
shortened
said, it's,
version. I think it would be, well, it's going to be neat any way you build it. It'd be a really neat little drag.
That's
Drag
what
car.
I was thinking about, was a
Drag car.
drag car. Something you'd see at the drag strip.
Yeah.
Back in the 60s, 70s, something like that. This
Yeah.
would be a cool little hot rod.
Be a nice throwback.
Something totally different, and yeah, throwback.
Yeah, and I like different. What do y'all think?
You
Drag
are-
car, dune buggy? I like
He
drag
likes
car.
different because he is different.
Yes. There's nothing
As
wrong
we
with that.
all are.
Yes.
Well, thanks, guys. Appreciate you sticking around for this one. This has been fun. Thank you again, my brother, for
Absolutely.
jumping in and helping me with this. Yeah, he wants to be like me.
Yeah, when I grow up. I
Yeah,
wanna
when
be
he grows up,
I
yeah.
want to be like Mark. Hobby dude when I grow up.
Hobby do Dolo 8.
Hey,
It could happen.
it could.
Guys, we love you. We appreciate you. If you're not a subscriber, head over. We have a lot of fun. Check out some of the other guys' videos, the other content creators. Lots to be learned, a lot of stories to be told, as my buddy Tim Kalankowitz says. Great stuff out here. We love you. God loves you. See you in the next video. Thanks, guys.
Bye.